Welcome to sunny Florida, South Florida. I'm Paul Perito. I'm here today with Antonio Tavares, and Antonio has been working on implants for over 10 years, 11, 12 years. We have had encounters because I'm so much a part of the Brazilian empire when it comes to the implants down there. And I got to tell you, if you can do a penile implant, you can do anything in urologic surgery. And Antonio is the perfect example of that. This is a well-heeled implanter who does a tremendous job with penile implants. So it's just a natural direction to go and take care of men when it comes to cosmetics of the genitalia, specifically the patented UroFill technique, which you've been here for the last couple of days. So I've worked with him for years. He's followed what we've been doing from the cosmetic realm, and he's ready to start injecting and helping men with their path on having a penile girth enhancement. So Antonio, it was a great couple days working with you up here. Thank you so much for coming up here, and I can't wait for you to get back home and take care of your patients. So if you want to say something in Portuguese to your people, please.
Obrigado, Dr. Perito. Muito bom estar aqui em Miami. É o maior centro de experiência do mundo, né, em torno de prótese, e essa parte cosmética não poderia ser diferente. A gente sabe que dentro da saúde masculina a gente precisa dar atenção para essas questões que envolvem também a autoestima dos pacientes e fazer isso de uma forma ética, de uma forma técnica, de uma forma com suporte, né, com anos de experiência, é fundamental para um bom resultado.
So congratulations, brother. Welcome to the UroFill family. It's going to be great to have him back at home taking care of his patients. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to hear how it goes. Okay, Antonio? So we'll be seeing you. Take care.